Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to use Webull on iPad, making your trading experience seamless. First, download the Webull app from the Apple App Store. Once installed, you can easily log into your existing account or create a new one in just a few steps. Then, familiarize yourself with the intuitive interface, designed for easy navigation to all its powerful features. Now that you are set up, let's explore Webull's robust trading and research tools. You can access real-time market data, detailed stock quotes, and breaking news to stay informed. Placing trades is straightforward, with options for market, limit, and stop orders. Plus, leverage advanced charting tools for in-depth technical analysis, helping you make informed decisions. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like. On another note, if you are looking to truly change how you think about money and investing, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It is a fantastic resource. Find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Managing your investments on Webull for iPad is incredibly simple. You can easily monitor your portfolio's performance, track your account balance, and view all your open positions at a glance. Personalize your experience by customizing watch lists, setting up alerts, and adjusting notification settings. Depositing or withdrawing funds is also secure and efficient, all within the app.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.